Some patient. Yes, I want to do this one.
The makeup artist.
Okay, she's here. You are seeing her. She didn't see us. Happy, call her. Tell her we are behind her directly.
No.
We are directly behind her.
Yeah.
Connected again. It's now connected again. Thank you. Wow, wow. Right. Oh, then our network.
Are you calling a direct or WhatsApp?
You said?
Are you calling direct or you're using WhatsApp?
I'm tired. No, I don't want to be pressed.
I can't do the video. I'm not feeling okay. Please,
Alright, it's okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling, for my correct people. This video today, like about Sister Rita Ayemiamo TV. Congratulations to you for your white wedding. It's shock. Now this one be is shock like normally shock. Real what go say it's shock. It shocked them. Congratulations, my sister. I am so happy for you. Oh, I am so happy for you. Now, so they do marriage. After the traditional marriage, the white wedding going to follow up. Hey, my sister, I am so happy for you. Congratulations. Congratulations. Normally, people when they ask me for you because you know what we have for my soul. But when you tell you, my sister, I am so happy for you. If you look people when they insult you, if you better pass them, eh? Not even talk to them, you know. And if you see come back, mind your business. Prove them. Look, they said they're not rich. Look, they said they're not rich, my sister. I am so happy for you. Like, I am so happy for you because they don't insult you, not be small. They don't call you different name. They don't talk, say, so you be this, you be that. But my sister, they say, you be baby mama, you be this, you be that. My sister, I am so happy for you. I know say network not let you take do the live video well just now. I bet for that church do another live video, may we see. Oh, I am so happy for you, eh? If you be lover of good thing, happy for Sister Rita, I know easy. Happy for Ram. Happy for Ram. Me, I want to now. Happy for Ram. I am so happy for you. Congratulations. I put the video more and say, my darling people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.
Some patient. Yes, I want to do this one.
The makeup artist.
Okay, she's here. You are seeing her. She didn't see us. Happy, call her. Tell her we are behind her directly.
No.
We are directly behind her.
Yeah.
Connected again. It's now connected again. Thank you. Wow. My God, then I'm network.
Are you calling direct or WhatsApp?
You said?
Are you calling direct or you're using WhatsApp?
Tired. No, I don't want to be pressed.
Why can't you do the video after watching? I'm not feeling okay. Please,
All right,
no
it's
problem.
okay.
Please.
Let me use your WhatsApp call. Oh, you calling on
Listen, network's a problem.
network? Small. Stanley, I didn't like. Small.
It's just